nothing, and now it's like, wow, the streets. I guess the red is like an extra layer of grip.
How are you gonna get back down?
How do you feel?
I'm so nervous.
Why?
How are we gonna get back down? And our bus is forward drive.
Check it out. It's just become a winter storm out here. And just so happens it's raining. That's why it's snowing so much. Well, what do we have here? It's a warning. Oh, maybe this is where we step.
I sure hope so.
Just reached the town. It's snowing. How do you feel?
A little bit better.
Pretty nice. Why?
It's so snowy. We're in a big bus. The roads are so wet.
Hey. Boat's leaving. We gotta make it. Whoa. Check it out. Oh, look at that boat down there. You're taking one of these like booze cruises? Okay, okay. He said no chance to take photos, sorry. Wow. Now, if it was not cloudy and rainy, we'd be able to see Fuji from here.
Yeah.
We're going on this boat right here. Pretty solid. How do you feel? Oh, look, see how this is like
What is that, fish?
No. The
Is that thing, Joe?
The guy's brushing the sea.
Oh.
Hope you don't have seasick. Seasicknesses. Awesome. You want to go upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh look, fishies. Go up a little.
Wow, that left right on time. Oh my god.
Face on me?
Yeah. Oh, you're like kind of naked. No, it's snowing. We're at Lake Ashi on top of Mount Fuji.
Say hi to the camera.
Look, Chad. Right? It's all the time. Yeah, it's so snowing. Isn't that awesome? Yeah.
Where? What little?
See in the woods? Jeffrey, shut up.
Oh, that's the gate to the house.
Oh, there's
Hakone, with these insane mountains. It just so happened that today was raining, and we climbed so high up in the altitude that it became snowy. Yeah, and all the trees are covered. It's insane. All right, we're getting up. Let's do it. Turning into rain. Oh, here we go. Hey, we just got off the boat. It's kind of like a slushy rain right now.
What is that?
Some weird noises. But,
I guess it's warming up.
yeah, it's warming up a bit. But, check out the view. Our hotel should be around here somewhere, I believe.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's the beach.
Oh, look at those duck boats.
Oh, yeah.
So cute.
Look at those. It's definitely like the ones you paddle with,
Yeah.
you know? Alright, so.
Oh, Hakone Lake Ashi.
Yeah. Welcome. Oh.
No skiing.
What are we doing?
This is not on a high snow very often. Not very often.
Oh, trees are so close.
To take a look at, snow over here.
Visibility close to nothing. Ear popping. Oh, get ready for the. Can't see anything.
Snowing so much.
Oh my god. We're so
You may fall down many times if you go up to the top.
Really? Ooh. Snowy weather.
It actually hurts.
Face.
Oh my god.
A little bit. A little bit. Ooh.
I want to go back down.
You're scared. Okay. We're on the bus. Just got back to the tram. What are we doing?
I'm going to taste this triangular.
It's a triangle rice ball. It's in the way.
Oh.
Right there. Yeah. But we're gonna try it. It's ginger,
first?
rice,
And we don't know what's
and
inside.
seaweed. It might be filled with something, I don't know. You wanna go first?
Yeah.
It's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. It smells amazing.
Straight rice.
You face looked like he was about to. How is rice so good?
That's not ginger gum. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
It's like pickled.
Yeah, maybe something.
Maybe pickled ginger. Oh no, ginger is pickled.
Pretty good.
Literally just rice.
It's just rice. Rice cake. Pretty solid. Finish?
Just sticky rice.
So good. Very tart. Okay. Good deal. Good different flavor. So seaweed, onions, sesames. Go ahead. There's one sticky part somewhere. We gotta hold it from there.
Oh, here? Oh, yeah. Wow, they even wrap it so nice.
The other train probably, yeah. Oh, it's probably going back up.
Wow, smell that.
It's so aromatic.
But what does that smell like? Curry?
Your breath is like, what does it smell like?
That certain spice.
Alright, I go first this time.
What's that spice? Caraway?
Definitely a spice. That's really good. I really like it. I don't know what it is, but I like it. No, I think it's this.
It's a little salty.
I think it's the green. Right there. That green is what smells really good. I don't think it's the seed. Have the green alone. So powerful.
Salty.
We had to stop before we took our long trip on the bus.
So good.
There's a convenience store. We picked a couple of these up. I'm hoping they'd be filled, but they had other ones there. But we wanted to stay on the safe side, right?
It's like
Japanese cheese balls. A funny looking turtle character on there. Alright. Open it up.
This one was so much easier than when you did it.
I loosened it. Oh.
Wow. Really?
Filled.
No. What's that flavor?
Curry. Or cumin. The snacks here are so much better.
There's no flavor.
Alright, well, this will conclude our lunch. Actually, no, we're probably gonna stop somewhere else.
Yeah.
This is just a snack before the lunch. But how do we feel?
Relaxed.
Why?
We just went into a, what do they call it? Like a hot springs bath?
Bathhouse.
Yeah, like a Japanese bathhouse.
Japanese hot springs.
It was like 400 degrees.
Obviously, we couldn't video.
No, and obviously we weren't together.
Yeah.
It was
all separated,
separate.
men, female, totally naked.
But it was amazing.
Unbelievable. I mean, that was probably like what, 150 degrees. My skin is like searing. It's still red.
Yeah, I was red. I was like instantly sweating.
Yeah.
It was so
Really crazy experience. Super strict about it being clean.
You have to shower before you go in.
Shower before
Like
you
the
go in.
shower's there.
Yeah. Yeah, it was crazy. I feel so good right now.
I'm like ready for
I
bed.
needed that. I know. Pretty cool. Anyway, tomorrow we have a 6-hour bus ride ahead of us.
Going to Kyoto.
Hey, what are we looking at? Fuji, at its finest. At 5 o'clock, we woke up, looked out the window, and said, "Oh." I'll tell you what, on pictures and on camera, it doesn't really do it justice.
And just to show last night's fogginess.
Oh my goodness. That's what it looked like last night. That's what it looked like last night.
We had no idea it was right there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's funny.
But there it is.